Hi guys, it's me again. Now we're gonna be doing chapter 5. And this chapter we're gonna try on to do numbers, big numbers, okay, hundreds. And it's addition and subtraction again. Okay, first questions. And again, this work is not as your assignment. So you need to check out for your numbers because it's gonna be different numbers, and you're gonna have different answers. So please don't copy. Do your own work so you can have the correct answer. Do your best, please. Don't guess. I know it's a multiple choice, but stop guessing. You need to work out and do your work. Okay. Now the first question: player 2 and 18 tackle a member of the opposite team. How many pounds do they two players weigh all together? So they're talking about two players, number 2 and 18, and they want to know how much is the weight from those two. When we are talking all together, it means you have to add these two numbers, okay? First, number 2 is 291. Then number 18, the weight is 312. So we have to add it all together. So it is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then 9 plus 1, 10. And we got 1 on the top. So it's 2 plus the 1 we have, 3 plus 3. It's going to be 6. So the answer is 603. Okay? Remember, it's not the same answer you're going to have on your question on your assignment. So you have to do it by yourself. Number 2. Okay? They want to know player 6 and 42 made the next tackle. How many pounds do these players weigh all together? Again, they want to know how many all together. So we're talking about number 6. On the scale, it says 235. And then for 42, the scale says 244. Okay, so they want to know how much they weigh all together. So these two together, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 3 plus 4, it's 7. Then 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the correct answer is gonna be 479. Okay, this one is an easy one. Probably you're gonna have multiple choice, so you have to do it the sum. Please don't be guessing, do the work. It's not that hard. It's not gonna take you forever to do it. Okay, on this one, Heike works part-time after school on a weekend as a shipping clerk. She takes home $364 a month. Below are her expenses this month. Okay, so they want to know how much she spends each month. Heike must write checks for, okay, how much she spends on the cell phone? She spends 65.25 on the cell phone. Okay? Cell phone is gonna be 65.25. Then on the car payment, she expends, car payment is gonna be $156. So she wants to know how much she spent in total. So we have to add 156 plus 62.25. So we're gonna have 25. And then it's gonna be 5 plus 6 is gonna be 11. So we're gonna put 1 and 1 on the top. It's gonna be 5 plus 6 and plus the 1 we already have. So it's 11 plus 1 equals 12. So 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is gonna be 221 that she spent on both the car payment and the cell phone. Okay? Remember, you have to do it by yourself. It's not the same as I have it on your assignment. Okay? So these are the examples that I'm gonna give you. So you have to work on the other ones. It's not the same, so I have it right here, I already told you. And these assignments are gonna be for the weekend, for the week, and are due on the Friday. Okay, so you still have enough time to finish, work on it, Think about it. Also, these assignments, you can find it on the files. I have these same ones on the file so you can practice. Okay? If you have any question, please let me know. I'll be here to help you whenever you need it. Okay? Thank you guys. Hope you are okay.